Yep, guys, hopefully I'm live again. Currently it's 8:35 and I have to lock in one more hour of progress, I think, before we go. My aim was to actually make at least a BAB plane or a normal case for that for the PCB. But looks like for Valve deck we'll be needing a small hole in the back as well. So we'll have to make some specific changes about it. Nothing much, but we'll be doing it using OnCAD. Sorry, OnShape. I'm very new to it. I watched a 15-minute tutorial, but I really still I'm kind of in a dilemma about how to do it. So before doing that, let me note down my progress so far. This is very much not what we wanted. No. So basically, first thing which we have is to do today. Is there a way to make a to-do list? Small. So Valdeck remaining parts. First thing which we have is to make the 3D case design using OnShape. Correct. So once you're done with that, we can move on to making the bill of materials. I did ask a few people in Slack about where to buy Indian, what's the best Indian website or offline outlet. They responded, and I will be awaiting a few more responses. So first we'll complete the 3D case design, then we'll move on to the making the BOM for the for Valve. After that, we also have some other stuff to do, like GitHub documentation. You have GitHub documentation to do, README specifically, and I will also be coding the Raspberry Pi Pico. So those are the four things, and I also do have to make something called I forgot what it's called. It's called something like this, right? I did see it in documents and resources as well. These ones, what are they called? I completely forgot. Uh, Zion, yes, Zion. There we go, we got it. We need a GitHub Zion. Uh, one, not GitHub Zion, but Fallout Zion. They have a format and all that, so let's make it. Fallout Zion and Figma. Preferably Figma. I'm quite experienced with Canva, but looks like it will be easier to do in Figma, this one. So once I'm done with the GitHub documentation, pre-coding the Raspberry Pi Pico, and designing the design, I have one more task to do, which is I forgot again. Man, I remember I had 6 tasks to do. Had to make the 3D case, had to make the BOM. What else am I missing? Well, I am missing something, but yeah. Uh, First, you have to get ready with the 3D design. So let's open up OnShape. Let's create a document. Valk deck. Let's call it demo for now because I am not sure about. Yeah, I'm not sure about. This is the first time I'm actually using OnShape to make something. It's pretty sure it's not gonna work out perfectly, but we can expect some changes. So I learned that shift 1 is the fun view, and I'll import my step folder. pretty sure this will work. So it's importing right now. Is it done yet? Yeah, I tried these today. I tried uploading because I was having some certain problems with the import part, but I guess that's okay. Hmm. I got it figured out though. Oh yeah, and the last thing was to organize all my KiCad files. Organize all my KiCad exports so that I can give it for actual PCB design. I mean PCB, yes. Firmware, we can just call it firmware. So, mm, so these are the six main tasks which we have to do, and looks like it will take me quite a while, but that's okay. Uh, is it imported yet? Where is it? Um, it's working just right now, man. Why is it? Should have not imported all this. Oh yeah, finally. Uh, why is this thing so glitched? It is not supposed to be like this. I'll have to make a new demo on CAD. Open again. Create document. Val. Create a public document. It'll open now. Thinking about a GitHub one. Yes, it'll open. Import step file. You're gonna be building it around step files so that it does not, get mismatched or something. No, not this. Shift. Decoration. No. Okay. Now it should be present here. Hopefully. Come on. It's probably in my second part studio, right? Yes. It has been imported and it's loading right now. So that looks way better than the first one. Let's go shift 1. This is not what I wanted. Is this how it's gonna be? Guess this will be the top. Yeah, this works fine for me. Let's take measurements first. So let's from here to here. What's the set 2 inches? Let me change that. This is 3.87 inches. What? Oh, oh, that is quite big. That is quite big, I have to say. 3.87. 3.87. It's like 10 centimeters. That's gonna be quite big. I don't want it to be like more than, a certain amount. So we will make the workspace units, we'll convert it into centimeter, sorry, millimeters. Yes, so now it should be 98.5 millimeters. Okay, and hope, no, cancel, 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 cancel. How do I cancel this? From here to here also it's 90. Oh, millimeter. 98.5. From here to here also 90. Okay, so this distance is lower. It's 69.00 mm. And here, what's the distance? Sorry. 69.00 mm. So let's note it down somewhere. Let's not go to notepad. Um, Len, I can just note it there, bro. I'm so dumb. Equal to how much was it? Let's catch our breath. Breadth is 69 millimeters, and length is 98.500 mm. 8.500 mm. That looks better. So now let's draw a rectangle. Let's draw a sketch. Okay. Huh? My bad. I mean, pretty sure it's gonna be like, you can adjust this. Let's add 10 millimeters to both, huh? Let's add yeah, 10 millimeters will be fine according to me. So 108.5, 08.5, and then, oh, it's lagging. Oh, never mind. That was yeah. Let me go back. 5, 1, 0. Nope. Sketch 1. Select sketch 1, bro. Um, okay. So here again. Shift. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. Let's do something like that, and let's make it. What is it again? 108.5. 10. No, I forgot again. So it is 79 and 108.5. Now, how do we move this? I may ask. Oh, looks like we'll have to redo all this. Top plane, hover, இது make it something like this. Oh, I completely forgot I took the measurements wrong. It should be from this to this. It's 91. It's 91. 91.000. So 91. So it will be 101, and that will be 108. Okay. In the restore. Shift fine. Sketch 1. Let's keep it 108.5, and the second one, let it be 101. How to move a sketch? Okay, so enter the sketch and select all entities of the rectangle. Right click on those to transform. Okay, bro, no, stop. Yes. Oh, now what do we have? Okay, select all entities. Oh yeah, this is a better one. Huh? Okay. Right click on and choose transform from the context menu. I don't know how to do this. Okay, there's an option like this here. Is there no grid snap on this or something? Hmm? कौन ला? Run. 4.6. It's like it's 4.6 here. Raw. And here it is. Raw. So this distance is greater than this distance. Kawata one ko rija. Dhruva. Bruh. Construction. Needs refer. How is there a way to equidistant it? Fine. Is there a way to and oh, okay, I know this. So let's look for construction. I'll see. And why is this happening here? Why is this red thing? What's this red thing? No. Yes. So I'll see. Construction. Let's draw something from here till here, here till here. No, I meant construction. No. We just draw two lines. Fine. That's also construction line. That's also construction line. Bro, like what? I did make this construction. I also did make this construction. Between 69 equal constraint to them. Okay. So now let me do this again. Now this, 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 all three equal. Why? Okay, this is a bit too much, I think. Show errors. Looks like I'll have to delete the sketch fully. Yes. So let's make this again, and I promise I'll make it perfect this time. And top plane, and let's draw a rectangular box, something like this, I guess. What is it gonna be? 108.5, and what is the second one? 101. Yes. So now let's draw some lines. Okay, that was kind of dumb, but I'll do it anyway. This line here, and this line here. Let's now that's a construction line. Construction. Let this also be construction. This also be construction. Uh, Pretty sure all four of them are selected. And why is this happening to me? What's this? Man. Okay. Uh, can't even move it properly now, man. What the hell is this? Looks like we'll have to watch a YouTube video for it. Drag the lines and remove the autoplay distance constraint. Is it here? I don't know, man. At this point, this is kind of just wasting time because I'm pretty sure this should be able to do it though, because like it's all. Oh no no. I mean like a shift 5. If we just draw construction lines here, construction. Okay, draw line construction from here to there, from there to here, from here to here. and from here to here. Oh, my bad. I think the measurements of this whole thing are kind of messed up. Man. How do I move these at this point? Okay, construction. If we bring them to construction mode, they will move, correct? Okay, now can we move this? Yes, 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 we can. Pal distance is 5.046. Here the pal distance is it's almost equal, so that's good. And now we have these two. Which two do we have again? I forgot. Yeah, these two, right? So what do we have here? No. 5.687 and yeah, this just has to be moved a bit to the right and it will be okay. Shit, that moved a lot. That sure did move a lot. No, 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 this is bad. No, that's not how it works. Just keep it like this today because yeah, tomorrow I'll watch a tutorial on KiCad and be back because I mean not KiCad, Onshape, because this is way too much. Looks like we designed something very interesting here, but yeah, we'll fix it tomorrow. I think I wasted like 36 minutes of my life doing this. I could have just watched a better tutorial and done this, but okay, we learned from stuff. So keeping that in mind, pretty sure I can just do this, right? What's this thing called? Uh, 30-degree draft. That's not very good. Yeah, we'll cancel this part. We'll see this tomorrow again. So that's using 1 gigabyte of RAM. We'll save this, however. Tomorrow I will learn how to do it actually. So for today's screenshots, what should we put? Yeah, let's open KiCad again. Take a picture of the PCB editor here. Because we did all the wiring today. I'm quite proud of the wiring part. I mean, we call it routing as well, so the routing part that is. Routing part has been done, so let's go to Fallout and let's register our progress here. Continue. Today, as promised, I did the macro board. Macro board. So I finished the PCB part of my macro board. First time. हाँ हाँ रुआ रहा on shape. Okay, so this is good. Let me go also send my YouTube live streams here. I do have a few live streams for today. Where is this Fallout? Yes, this one. Guys, hopefully I am live. It looks like my mic is working. Yeah, hopefully my mic is also working. Actually, we are gonna be fixing that part today because I'm not a person who's gonna give up on something like that. Let me watch a small on shape tutorial on YouTube right here because I really can't do it without that. Um, on shape tutorial. Even this one will do.
To
This
see
one
what's
is the
going
one
on with
which
the
I
thickness.
was watching.
Also hold shift and press it on rotating your views. I mentioned earlier, click here, now fully us at the dimension way you can start, and then on the origin we're going to move our mouse out here, we're going to single click again, single click on the origin, we're going to move our mouse out here, we're going to single click again, and then as soon as you single click that second time you can just let go of your mouse and right away you can start typing in these dimensions. So if we look at the drawing is showing us that the dimensions are 55 and 30. So out on the screen we're going to type in 55, enter 3. So click, we're going to rectangle, we're going to take our mouse out here on the screen, we're going to single click on the origin, we're going to move our mouse out here, we're going to single click again, and then as soon as you single click that second time you can just let go of your mouse and right away you can start typing in these dimensions. So if we look at the drawing, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the extrude.
I think my stream is lagging right now.
Command. And I'm going to turn this into clear that you can hold shift and you can press the numbers 1, 2, 3, and that takes you to an isometric view. So now we're looking at this thing in isometric. This we can double click there on that number. Triple weakness. So also hold shift and press.
Yeah, so I can put this as a face of sketch 1, correct? Why did I do that? That was really dumb of me. Yes. Where is sketch 1? Oh, it's construction lines. I'm sorry. This is why I was not able to do that. Where's construction option again? Shift 5. What's this? Sketch 1. Let me edit this. Oh, why is it construction? Remove construction, remove construction, remove construction, remove construction. Yes. So now that that is done, let me try excluding it. Face of sketch 1. And let the depth be actually, let me exclude it as something like a draft. Yes. And that does not look like a very healthy draft. 20. Neutral plane is that. That will enough. 20 degrees is way too much. Let me go 3 degrees. So yeah, I guess like even 6 degrees will do good. If I keep it something like 6 degrees, that will be perfectly good. The thing is, I wanted like something like a clamp there, which if I want it flat, I can keep it flat, and if I want it to be turned out, uh, I can turn it out, like increase the rotation as a draft. But I guess that's not gonna happen. Extrude. This looks funny. I don't know why. I don't know in what way it's funny. But let me delete this again. Let me extrude this. In what direction is this here? It should be in this direction. Yes. And is there a way I can move this? No. No, that is not what I wanted. Please don't do that. Nope, 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 nope. On this, yes. A bit here. That will do the magic. What should be the acrobat case? Should be around so let's keep it around 60. Wait. It's 4.3 inches. What do you mean? Oh, okay, okay. The height is like that. I can't refer to this. But let me keep it a bit simple though. Let me do something like 20. So I'll also be having stuff on the top, so I guess 20 will be safe fit. And let me just do this draft just a bit. Not gonna be much. 6 degrees. Neutral plane is this. Entities to draft is this. Neutral plane is this. Oh wait guys, my mom is calling. My mom is calling, I'll have to go. So yeah, let me end stream real quick. Thank you guys for watching. That was my day 5 grind. Come tomorrow as well if you can. Pretty sure no one is watching anyway, but yeah, is anyone watching your channel? Yep, no one is watching as usual, but that's okay. That's not gonna stop me. That was my day 5 grind. Come tomorrow as well if you can. Pretty sure no one is watching anyway, but yeah, is anyone watching your
No.
channel? So let's end the stream right now. I'll do this. I'll add a YouTube video as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow. See ya.